to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am oh so glad that you are here. Now, if you are not already part of the Delightful family and you like awesome recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell right down below. It's free and you'll know every single time that we upload a video. Today we are making cauliflower rice. Now, if you are the person who is trying to cut some of the calories and carbs out of your life, this is a perfect recipe for you. You can use it just about anywhere you use traditional rice, and you can season it up so that it pretty much molds and shapes itself to any recipe that you are making. Let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we want to do is get our washed cauliflower all trimmed and cut up. You want to make sure you cut off the green pieces and the hard core that's in the center. Add your chopped cauliflower to a food processor or blender and pulse it for a few seconds until it starts to look like rice. Heat some olive oil or butter in a pan. Add your cauliflower, throw in some salt and pepper, stir it up, and then let this cook for about 5 minutes. And that, guys, is just how easy it is to make cauliflower rice. This stuff is super delicious. Sometimes I throw some shrimp on top, some chicken. It's good with beef. It's just an all-around really, really good dish. I like to just eat it on its own. I've thrown some parsley in here, some paprika, some additional seasoning. You dress it up any way you want to. This is fantastic, and I think you're gonna love it. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you go. Make sure you thumbs up this video and go ahead and share it, because sharing is caring, and you know, we all want to be caring, right? I will see you guys in the next video, and make sure the next time you are in the kitchen, you are keeping it delightful and delicious.